Angela Duckworth is doing research on a psychological variable called grit. Grit, persistence, and the findings of her experimental studies. These are also studies in which you get about 30 students at a time. A lot of them are in K-12 and not only in higher ed. And they repeatedly, actually there are larger studies that are predictive at places like West Point and Penn, that while SATs and other achievement tests do a modest job of predicting how well students do academically, that a measure of grit adds significantly and more than significantly, substantially, to the accounting of why some students with the same abilities do much better than others. Or maybe having this grit means that the potential energy of your SAT or IQ becomes kinetic in the presence of grit and remains inert without it. Not clear yet, the dynamic. She's young, the research is new, it's very exciting. How much does it apply to the stuff we do in higher ed? We don't know. It's a theoretical notion. It is based in many ways on an 8 or 12 item self-report scale. It's a scale that has lots of items that in effect asked, are you gritty? And you know what? I'm so skeptical about such scales. But if you show me study after study in which differences in how you respond relate to other really significant changes, differences, and contrasts in the world, I think of it like peeing in the little bottle. It doesn't look very dramatic in and of itself, but it seems to be picking up something that matters, that really matters.